Python modules are simply files containing Python code, functions, classes, and variables that organize programs and promote reusability. They break down large applications into manageable units. To utilize a module, use the import statement.
For example, import math grants access to functions like math, sqrt. You can also import specific items with from math import sqrt, or alias them using import numpy as np. There are three main types. 1.
Built-in, included with Python, like math or OS. Third-party, installed via pip, such as requests or numpy. User-defined, your own Python files to structure projects. Using modules makes code cleaner and more maintainable.
This example demonstrates the usage of various types of modules in Python. It starts by simulating a user-defined module. my_utils. By writing its content to a temporary file and then importing it. This allows the program to access my_utils, pi_approximately, my_utils, greet, and my_utils, calculate_square, showcasing how custom code can be organized and reused across different files. The sys, path manipulation ensures the temporary module is discoverable by the Python interpreter.
Next, the code utilizes the built-in math module, which comes pre-installed with Python and provides access to common mathematical functions and constants like math, pi and math, sqrt. This illustrates how to leverage Python's core functionalities without any extra installations. The import math statement makes all its contents available through the math prefix.
Finally, the example uses two standard library modules, datetime and JSON. The from datetime import datetime syntax specifically imports the datetime class directly, allowing its use without a module prefix. E.g., datetime.now. The import JSON as JS demonstrates aliasing, where the JSON module is imported and referred to as JS for brevity. Useful when module names are long or might conflict. The finally block ensures that the temporary module file and any path modifications are cleaned up, making the script self-contained and idempotent.